Dear student, class 8, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 7. Uh, chapter 7. Yesterday, the previous class, I am already discussed about the what is state policy, types of government, government system, lot of things I already discussed. Today I'm going to discuss lesson 5, different organ and function of the government of Bangladesh. Government is a basic controlling power of the state. What is the basic controlling power? Here is the question. What is the basic controlling power of the state? Government is a basic controlling power of a state. The state performs all its activities by the government. It cannot run without a government. Government has to perform various types of function to run the state. It cannot run without a government. So, for example, the state without government, we know without government the state cannot be run. For example, the state ensures our food, education, security, actually basic needs of a person, basic needs of a population. As the citizen of the state, government has to formulate various kinds of law for the welfare of the and for the discipline or controlling of the country. If anyone violates the law, he or she be punished by the government. There are many other jobs of these types of that the government has to perform. To perform this function of the state, the government has 3 organs. How many organs the government has? 3 organs: legislative, executive, and judiciary. Very, very important to question what is the basic controlling power of the state and how many organs the government has. Look, there is a picture, Bangladesh government organ, Jatiyo সংসদ. Look, Jatiyo সংসদ, Bangladesh Secretariat and Supreme Court. First picture shows Jatiyo সংসদ Bhavan. It's our parliament. It is situated at Agargaon in Dhaka. Where is situated the Jatiyo সংসদ? Agargaon in Dhaka. The elected representatives formulate the necessary laws for the state and give their decision in other policy making affairs in the session of the parliament. The second picture shows Bangladesh Secretariat. From this center, government governs the country. Bangladesh Secretariat. Actually, whole instruction related the administration, make the decision, and all decision of planning and execution direction by the secretariat. Actually, nearby GPO, it is situated. Last picture shows Bangladesh Supreme Court. It is the highest court of justice of Bangladesh government. What is the highest court of justice of Bangladesh government? Bangladesh Supreme Court. Underline this line. What type of work of Bangladesh Secretariat? Actually, it governs the country. Legislative of Bangladesh is unicameral. What type of legislative the Bangladesh is? Unicameral. Its name is Jatiyo. What is the name of the legislative? Jatiyo সংসদ. It consists of 350 members. How many members? It consists of 350 members. Among them, 300 members are elected from 300 constituencies by the direct vote. You know very well. Actually, whole country are divided into 300 constituencies, and 300 members elected from these constituencies by the vote of direct people, and these vote actually nominated them or elected them to perform in the parliament, while 50 more seats are reserved for women. 50 seats reserved for, how many seats reserved for women? 50 seats. In the reserved seats, women members are elected by the members who are elected by direct vote. Actually, these women's members not elected by the people. These members are elected by the parliament representative or cabinet member. 300 member. Clearly, I want to say the 300 members elected, selected the 50 women's members. That means in the reserved seats, women members are elected indirectly. But again, out of 300 constituencies, the women members can be elected from any constituency by direct competition. The tenure of the Jatiya Samsad is 5 years. What is the tenure of the Jatiya Samsad? Where is one speaker and deputy speaker in the parliament? Actually, two persons starting the parliamentary activities. One is speaker and another one is deputy speaker. If speaker is absent, then deputy speaker perform the parliament and execute the session. The responsibility of the speaker is to conduct all activities relating to the session of the parliament. Deputy speaker assist him in this regard. Besides, in absence of speaker, deputy speaker presides over the parliament session. I already told you. Both of them are elected from among the member of parliament by their vote. The legislative or the Jatiya Samsad enact and amends general law of the country. It also ventilates and express public opinion. What is the ventilate of and express of public opinion? Actually, legislative or Jatiya Samsad controls government income and expenditure, formulates and amends the constitution. Actually, if any allegation is raised against the president, actually this parliament compelled or bound to the people for their works, for their jobs, and their accountability is very, very important. The legislative takes these into consideration. Beside this, it also plays its role as a very, very important. So legislative or Jatiya Samsad role as a guardian of our national exchequer. Taxes are levied and the budget is approved by it. Executive department, the organ which is entrusted with the administration of the country, is called the executive. Actually, when legislative make a law, then who actually complete or execute in the whole administration department, this is called executive department. In a broader sense, wider sense, executive means the officers and employees who are entrusted with the state's function. In this regard, from the head of the state down to village guard, actually head of the state to village guard, all are the part of the executive. In the real sense, the executive consists of the head of the state, head of the government, members of the cabinet, and officers of the secretariat. The executive administers the country and executes the law passed by the legislature. It maintains the internal law and order in the country through the RAB, through the police, and through the army. It also maintains relationship with foreign countries. It works for the defense, liberty, and sovereignty of the country. You know, sovereignty is very, very important of a country, and inner sovereignty and outer sovereignty actually execute the execution department of Bangladesh. This organ is very powerful. Judiciary, the organ which administers impartial judgment according to the law of the government, is called judiciary. So I can ask you a question, and here is the question: what is judiciary? The judiciary consists of the judges of all courts of Bangladesh. The Supreme Court is the highest court of justice in the judicial department. Which court is the highest of justice in the judicial department? Supreme Court. Supreme Court has two divisions: appellate division and high court division. How many division Supreme Court has? Appellate and high court division. The president also appoints the justice of these two divisions. Who appoints the justice? Very, very important MCQ question. Presidents appoint the justice and chief justice. The judiciary administers justices according to the existing law of the country. It makes civil life simple and beautiful and establishes fair justice by punishing the guilty and criminals. Actually, we can say this is the mirror of the justice. The judiciary conducts and gives verdict of the different cases and litigation filed in court. It interrupts the provision of the constitution and does various investigative works. The judiciary also act as a very, very important. Judiciary act also act as a safeguard of the constitution and rights of its citizen. And who acts as a safeguards of the constitution? Judiciary department. And it also conducts the works on various inquiries. In the above discussion, we observed that every organ of a government has its function and scope. According to this, the function of the organ are conducted. The total summary of all organs is government, and the function of the organs are included in the government works. Look, structure and function of local government. Generally, the government is a system of government which is elected by the people to run the local administration and maintain development works. What is local government? Actually, village, union, Upazila, Jila included this area, and urban areas, Paurasabha, city corporation are included in the local government. As the territory and population of the state is large at present, it is not possible for the government to solve all types of actually central point in secretariat. We know the second step of or second organ of government, secretariat, the main source of direction to perform in the administration, secretariat. Then in this way the extra pressure of the central government is reduced, and the second first one is secretariat, second one is divisional commissioner, and third one is deputy commissioner. And deputy commissioner means who supervise the total district, or district commissioner, maybe district commissioner. It is an important part of Bangladesh administration. The local government system has spread out in both village and urban areas of Bangladesh. Structure of local governments in both structure of local government in both the regions have been shown. Structure of local government: village area, union parishad, upazila parishad, district council. And urban areas, it performs Purosabha and city corporation. Purosabha means there is no facilities like city. This is called Purosabha. And city corporation, totally city totally included the city area. In the village area of Bangladesh, there are 3 layers of local government. Among them, union parishad is the last one. What is the last one of the local government? Union parishad. Beside this, at upazila level there are upazila parishad. At district level it is called district council. In urban areas there are 2 types of government. How many types of government in urban areas? 2 types: Purosabha and city corporation. Except 8 division cities, city corporation perform function in Kumilla, Narayanganj, Gazipur, Mymensingh, and Purosabha perform function in other district areas which are not included in city. This area performs by the Purosabha. Formation of local government. Except district council, the leadership of every organ in local government is elected by the direct votes of the people. The tenure of every organ is 5 years. Union parishad, the primary level of local government is union parishad in rural areas. At present, there are 4,553 union parishad in the country. How many union parishad are there in the country? 4,553 union. A union parishad consists of several villages. Actually, some or sort of village consist of a union parishad. One union parishad is the local government in village area. The aim of union parishad is to remove village problem, spread the leadership at the local level, and increase mass consciousness. Every union parishad consists of an elected member. 9 members. How many members are there in the union parishad? 1 elected chairman, 9 members from 9 wards, and 3 female members. Actually, "13 members are there in the union parishad." Upazila parishad. Upazila consists of some unions. The Upazila parishad consists of 1 chairman, vice chairman, 1 woman vice chairman, and all chairmen of union parishad. But we don't know a one district, how many union parishad are there are in the district? Chairman of Purushabha and 1/3 all the female members. There are 490 upajelas in Bangladesh at present. So Upajela Parishad consists of one chairman, one vice chairman, one woman vice chairman, all who are the chairman they are in the district, all chairmen of Union Parishad under the Upajela. Like Gazipur Upajela. So their Upajela Parishad consists of one chairman, one vice chairman, one woman vice chairman, and who are the elected chairmen in Union Parishad. There are included in this Parishad. District Council. A district council consists of some upajelas. There are 61 district councils out of 64 under the Ministry of Local Government Affairs. Khagrachuri, Bandarban, Rangamati, these three district councils are under the Ministry of Chittagong Hill Tracts Affairs. How many districts are there in the Bangladesh? 64, and 61 district council we have, and out of 64 under the Ministry of Local Government. So 61 district under the Local Government Affairs. Khagrachuri, Bandarban and Rangamati, these three district council are under the Ministry of Chittagong Hill Tracts Affairs. Out of 20 members, there will be 5 female members. The chairman with all others members will be elected indirectly. They are elected the votes of mayor and commissioner, all the city corporation under the district council, all the chairmen of Upajela, mayor and councils of the Purushabha, and the chairman and members of the Union Parishad. So totally district councils have 21 members. The members of parliament under the district will be advisor of district council. Purushabha. Actually, Purushabha is the local government in urban areas. There are 325 Purushabhas in Bangladesh at present. At Purushabha consists of one mayor, one councillor from each ward, and female councillor from the reserve seat. The number of members of Purushabha can be more or less on the basis of territory and population. City corporation. There are 12 city corporation in Bangladesh. How many city corporation are there in Bangladesh? 12. There are Dhaka, North and South, and Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna, Sylhet, Barishal, Narayanganj, Rangpur, Kumilla, Gazipur, Mymensingh. The chief of the city corporation is called mayor. Who is the chief of the city corporation? Mayor. There are councillors as a helping hand of the mayor. The number of councillors can be more or less on the basis of territory. So student read it more and more because local government administration is very important of our country. If you have any problem, please contact with me.